What's up, guys? I know you're waiting for the workout to get started. They're just finishing setting up. We'll be right with you. While we're waiting though, while I have your attention, I wanted to give you something for free. So we have these sliders that we use sometimes in the workout. We're giving them away for free. There's a link in the comments. All you gotta do is click free sliders. Great way to do some hamstring curls, maybe some ab stuff. Grab your free sliders. Let's get this thing started. What's up, Critical Bench? Thanks for joining me for another Monday live workout. Today we're gonna be constructing an ultimate burpee. So that means we're gonna break down each part of it and do it all together. I'm Coach Brady, joined by Coach Ashley and Coach Zach, and we're gonna take you through it. Let's get right into it. So again, we're gonna start, we're doing 10 reps of each piece of it, and then we're gonna rest, and then we're gonna do 5 reps of everything put together. You're gonna need 2 dumbbells. We're going like medium weight, nothing too heavy. When we get to that ultimate burpee, you'll see why. We're starting off with 10 squats. Good proud chest, sit down in that imaginary chair, driving back up. Again, we're going for 10. All the way down, drive back up, that's 2. Remember, brace the core, all the way up, squeezing those glutes at the top. Good, so again, the point of this is we're kind of trying to warm up the muscles that we're gonna eventually work when we put it all together. Last 3. 1, 2, last 1, and 3. Narrow up your stance a little bit. We're going right into a bicep curl. Turn the dumbbells into a shoulder press all the way down. Make sure you finish what you started, right? So from here, you don't just drop the dumbbells, you control it. So again, turn, press, turn, back down. That's 3, 4, 5, good. Exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. So exhale as you're pressing those dumbbells up over your head. 7, last 3. 8, good. 9, one more. And 10, perfect. Finish that last rep. We're going down push-ups using the dumbbells. So little wrist stability, feet nice and wide, elbows staying tucked all the way down, all the way up. Again, we're going for 10. 3, you can always drop to your knees if you need to, because remember the point of these is we're trying to warm up the muscles we're using later. Definitely working, but we're gonna put it all together. 6, 7, 8, 9, last 1, and 10. Last exercise, again, knees or toes, but it's called a renegade row. So you're trying to stabilize as you pull up, good squeeze all the way down. Try not to wobble side to side. We're going 10 total. So 5 on each arm. 4, 5, 6, 7, good. 8, 9, and 10. That's where we rest. So we're taking just a little breather, and then we're gonna add the most important part, the burpee to it. How we doing? Good? Good? All right, quick little shake. Trying to use the same weight and putting it all together. So again, starting with the squat, kind of have options. You can go dumbbells outside or dumbbells inside, depends a little bit on your hip mobility. I'm kind of tight, so we're going dumbbells inside. Squat deep, all the way down, hop out, 1 push-up, 1 row on each arm, right arm, left arm, hop in, land heavy on those heels, and then we go curl to press. We're going for 5, that's 1. Deep squat, hop, push-up, row, row, hop in, stand up, curl, press, 2. Row, hop, curl, press, 2 more. Squat, hop, push up, row, row, hop, curl, and press. Last 1, squat, hop, push up, row, row, heavy on those heels, curl, and press. Good, so again, good long rest break. Do all of that 1 more time. Good time to get a sip of water, towel off, whatever you gotta do. Change the weights if you have options. Again, we're gonna build it all, break it down, take options, take modification if you need. And we're gonna hit that ultimate burpee 1 more time, and that'll be it. You can get on with the rest of your Monday. All right, you guys ready? Ready, here we go, let's do it. So again, dumbbells outside of your hips for the squats, all the way down, all the way up. Good squeeze. Again, we're building it 1 more time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Narrow up your stance a little if you need to. Curl to press. 1, 2, 3, 4, good. 5, we're halfway. 6, 7, last 3, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Good, if we can, right into it, down. Again, just push-ups, but using those dumbbells to work on a little wrist stability. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, halfway, you got this. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Quick little rest break if you need it, or if you can, go right into those renegade rows. So again, wider base maybe, stabilize, 10 total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, this is where we rest. Take a little breather, shake out the arms, towel off. Maybe subscribe if you haven't yet. One more set. Putting it all together, 5 reps, and we're done. All right, guys, here we go. So remember, options with the dumbbells, inside or outside. I'm going inside. If you have the hip mobility to go outside, give it a shot. Squat, hop, push up, row, row, hop, curl, and press. That's 1, only 4 more. Curl, press, 2, 3, last 2. Last one, guys, finish strong. Hop, push up, row, row, hop, curl, and press. Woo. That's it, good work, guys, good work. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. Have a great rest of your Monday. We'll see you next week.